So excuse my voice. My voice is breaking because I'm only 12 years old. So this is Brave Goose Gin, made by us at Old Bakery Gin. Got lots and lots of boxes there, George. George, do you want to just tell us very briefly? So, who's this for?
This is for one of the Royal Navy's charities, and this is the first part.
Any specific one?
Yeah, the HMS Belfast charity.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. And you were saying, so this is the...
So this is the first part of the order. It's a 900 bottle order. This is the first 300 Bear's about to take down to Portsmouth today.
So, Bear, how are you delivering that?
I'm going to put it in our vehicle, take it down to Portsmouth, and get myself some nice fish and chips one down there.
And are you charging us extra for doing that?
Certainly. Nothing's free in this life.
But don't you think you should be doing it for love, George?
No.
What do you mean no? What do you mean no?
Nothing's free.
He's my partner in crime.
Well, hang on, George. I'm not an unreasonable man. What if I pay for the fish and chips? Is that fair, Bear?
That is fair, but how many portions can I eat?
No, this is true. This is true. So yeah, this is our first. Well, it's not our first bespoke gin, is it? It's we do make gin for other people now, but this is the first one we can actually talk about. They've allowed us to say that we've openly made it for them. It's actually on the bottle. So George, one last thing. How many botanicals are in this? What's the recipe?
I'm not allowed to say. It's their own bespoke recipe. So they came to us with what they wanted in the gin, and I'm going to keep that quiet.
Okay, can I bribe you?
How much?
That's the right answer. Okay, Bear, good luck with your fish and chips and delivering the Grey Goose Gin down to the Navy down in Portsmouth. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.